Hey guys, and welcome back. So I'll be giving you the first nail haul of the year. These are the things that I bought that I'll be unboxing for you today. Please like, comment and subscribe, and let's get straight to it. So we start with this box here. So this is alcohol. Oh, the lid is open. It isn't? I don't know. It feels open, but it's not. Yeah, that's just how it is. And this is alcohol. Interesting. This one I needed to open because I had some delivery issues. This is lint-free wipes, and these are 300 of them in here. These were like $3.99. I can tell there's no fluff on them, so that's pretty good. So here we have a pack of nail glue, and I got this from Amazon. It was $7.99 for the pack of 10. I thought it would be useful now that I'm getting back to doing nails, so I bought these. And I bought a pack of 12 nail files, and these are 100 to 180. And for this packet it was $4.99 from Amazon as well. Now guys, have a look. I really like these. I use them all the time. I buy them all the time. So these are always my go-to. They give me no problems, and they're really, really sharp. The other thing that I bought was this LED lamp. This LED lamp was $19.99 from Amazon, and it was, it was delivered through Amazon Prime. So it was pretty fast. I needed it and I got it the next day. It's been wrapped really well. Safe. And we have the charger in bubble wrap. It's amazing. And if you take this out, wow, this is how it looks like. This is good because it's, oh yeah, it does. Look. And this doesn't come out, so if I hold it like this doesn't fall out, so that's pretty good. But it can be detached, so that's amazing. If you had your lamp for a very long time, just make sure you're checking the light bulbs and they're curing properly, because over time when you use them, you need to change the light bulbs, or you just need to get a new one. I think for me it was just time to get a new one because I was tired of the white one. Yeah, I like it. I like it. It's got 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 99 seconds. It's pretty good. It comes with a manual guide. So this is the last box, and this is from Nails. And you guys know I love this shop. Oh, actually it's easy to open box. So I just ripped this here. So in total, I spent £34 and 18 pence at Nails. Delivery was £2.99 if I remember correctly, because I spent over £25 from here. It was like £5 if you spent less than £25. So I think the delivery changed. It wasn't just for the whole thing, it just changed depending on how much you spent. Delivery came between 3 to 5 days, so it was just standard delivery, 3 to 5 days. I ordered this on the 26th of December and I got it by the 30th of December. Of course, this is just after Christmas. So this is how it looks like inside. You guys can see that. In the box, we have an acrylic powder, one beige. Let's have a look at this. Sorry, let me find a way where we can both see. Oh wow, I like it. I like it, and it's more natural. This is 65 grams. Yeah, it's not that huge. and it fits your hand as well, so really good to carry. It is a bit dusty, and I got crystal clear. I really like this acrylic because it's just amazing, and when I use it with the SZNBEAUTY monomer or acrylic liquid, it's just good. Like, it works with almost the different types of acrylic liquids that I use. I love it. I use it all the time. It really gives the nails a good finish when you do acrylics. So here we have, dusty. Here we have some nail brushes, which I'm in need of. So we have a lot of different ones in here. We have the ones for dust, we have little tiny, we have a dotting tool, we have little tiny brushes, real thin ones if you want to paint letters. We have one if you want to, I think this is like when you use gel, when you want to like do a fading gel back. They are quite long, and some of them are pure white and some of them are off-white from what I can see. But this is the only thick one in the packet. It's pretty good. And the shortest one as well. I can give you guys another one, which, as you can see, is half the, like basically less than half the size. I nearly forgot what I bought. It's been a while. The nail dehydrator. Wow, so this is 15 ml. I love the nail dehydrator. I always use this for my prep to make sure my prep is really nice and strong. I should have bought two. I really should have bought two of these because I'm obsessed. Ever since I bought this one, I have one already, and it's lasted me so long. I think it's like been a year and something, because I don't know, it just doesn't end. And that one's not even fully finished yet, but I thought it's best to, maybe that's my second one, but I thought it's best to get this. I wish I got two, but it's fine, I'll get it again. And we have here, oh, I remember this. They really bubble wrapped this. Make sure that the glass is protected. That's from what I've noticed, so that's good. This is all what is it, plastic containers. Yeah, plastic, and these are all glass. Look, so it's just, it's not that deep. And you got your little cork thing on there, and this is to store acrylic liquid, and when you're using it, put it in there. And I think that's just to keep the smell in, and I like it. And even at the bottom you have the little cork texture. I like it, I like it. So overall, I really liked the things that I bought. This was a really like a short, up-to-date, like I just needed to update a few things in my collection of nail stuff, and I thought these were the main things that I know I usually have to get. And for me, I find if I get them from Amazon, it's quicker than actually getting it from the shop, unless I have a lot of things to buy from the shop. Because of delivery, you know, but delivery is always efficient, especially with nails. I like their products, and I would definitely advise them for like beginners. What are your thoughts? Like, what's the best product that you've seen on here? I think today's video, my star product is going to be the nail lamp. I'm sorry, the nail lamp wins the star product from this nail haul, because it just looks amazing. I didn't have issues with delivery, and yeah, it's amazing. I like it, I like it. It's black finish, nice finish at the top. It gives you all these different curing selections. This is my star product for this nail haul. What is your star product? What are you giving 5 stars to? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.